Hello, guys. Welcome back to Talkverse, and we are meeting you guys after the phenomenal final of the UEFA Champions League. And oh my god, what an interesting watch it was, and for a lot of different reasons.
बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए हेट वॉच काफी सक्सेसफुल रहा होगा क्योंकि आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रीमियर लीग फैंस इंस्टेड ऑफ सपोर्टिंग द प्रीमियर लीग का टीम दे वर अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल एंड कहीं ना कहीं एक मोमेंट ऐसा ऐसा भी था कि इट वाज मोर ऑफ लाइक पीपल वर विद पीएसजी एंड आर्सेनल के साथ में कोई नहीं था भाई वर्ल्ड पीएसजी के साथ था एंड आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द हराम बॉल ही हम बोल सकता है
So I think there are 2-3 reasons why this was the case. I think one of the reason is of course the haram ball. That is not a football you like to win with, or you like that football winning, because it was just phenomenally bad in certain scenarios.
Yeah.
But uske alawa, I think also the Arsenal fan base in general, how toxic things had become. Now we don't know if Arsenal fans are actually like that or they are rage baiting us, but I think it just worked, and everyone just hated them for that point. And oh my god, that hate watch was so awesome. While that game was not crazy, बहुत banger नहीं था. It was not like Bayern Munich versus PSG. It had its emotions, it had its moments, it had those elements जहाँ पे everyone were on their edges.
Yep.
6th minute, Arsenal scores. Kai Havertz becomes, I don't know what, fucking Cristiano Ronaldo or what. Phenomenal goal. Agreed. वो उसको divergence से मिला था. It got deflected from Marquinhos, was trying to clear it off. But what a banger.
I didn't expect Havertz to finish that, बहुत exceptional finish था.
Exceptional goal. You are running at a good pace towards the goal. Close corner, bang कर दो तुम top में. Insane goal. And afterwards, the whole haram ball of Arsenal came in.
Yep.
And being very honest, that first half of the game, Arsenal looked like a better team because we couldn't recognize PSG as PSG.
It felt as if Arsenal is going to win this game because they would be playing low block and low block उनके लिए work कर रहा था because they were hitting PSG on counters and it felt as if कि भाई PSG is a well-oiled machine जहाँ पे they always create chances but मुझे दिख रहा था उनके विंगर्स जो साइड से ट्राई कर रहे थे वो सफोकेट हो रहे थे इंस्टेंटली देयर यूज्ड टू बी 2 or 3 प्लेयर्स टू ट्रैक द रन्स और ट्रैक द पासेस कहाँ जाए तो जाएगा
Absolutely. I mean, I remember जब हम लोग देख रहे थे वो पूरा गेम, the amount of time I've said कि fuck, I don't recognize this PSG. This is not the one जिसको हम लोग ने across the पूरा season support किया है.
Yeah.
Because they are known for their beautiful football. They are known for doing attacks that are so crazy कि every attack seems like a goal.
Yeah.
And they were not able to do any of that across the first half. शायद एक decent chance आया था, उसके अलावा they couldn't do
Apart from
anything.
that picture.
So huge respect to Arsenal because haram ball is one thing. Holding off a team who is potentially the best attack in the Europe, best attack in the world, with those type of defense is very tough, and they did it well.
They did it really well and also जब PSG का गोल आया वो गोल भी कैसे आया because of a penalty.
Penalty.
They weren't able to penetrate ठीक है और it's a big achievement for Arteta also भाई defensively तुम्हारा टीम इतना solid है कि सामने वाले टीम को needs to do something or needs to get through कुछ ना कुछ वो ट्राई कर रहे थे एक पेनल्टी की वजह से ही वो क्रैक कर पाया अगर वो पेनल्टी नहीं मिलती बॉस पीएसजी वाज सपोज्ड टू विन दिस
Open play से गोल नहीं मिल रहा था PSG
नहीं
को.
मिल रहा
There's
था
a
भाई.
good chance there was no goal happening because PSG tried long balls, PSG tried crosses. नहीं हो सकता. Arsenal team is built of fucking monsters. They are tall, they are strong, they are very strong in aerial battles. तुम नहीं beat कर सकते
No
उनको.
chance.
Not with the attack threat that PSG has.
Yeah.
They are great on the ground. They cannot be an aerial threat. And fuck, I don't know how many times this happened, but PSG के players को midfield में एक turn लेने नहीं मिल रहा था.
There is
And that's why वो जो crazy street style Brazilian flair वाला soccer जो हम लोग ने देखा है PSG का वो देखने ही नहीं मिल रहा था. They were held that badly. But
And also the ones who say कि भाई Arsenal always sits back and doesn't do anything. भाई देखो tactically वो उनका जो pressing होता है ना बहुत smart होता है. वो idiot जैसा they won't like I'm not saying Barca को I'm not saying idiot or something but Barca is always playing high line. वो चढ़े रहता है. But Arsenal is quite smart enough जब उन्हें पता कि opportunity है तभी वो properly चढ़ता है.
it's very tough to punish Arsenal on a counter because Arsenal का पूरा टीम काउंटर के लिए भागेगा नहीं एडी की तरह. There will be players in their position पीछे आराम से even if they lose the ball.
Yeah.
And that is the difference. Yes, Barcelona, Liverpool का जो high press रहता था if that press gets fucked, they are screwed. आर्सेनल के साथ वो नहीं
नहीं
होता है.
होता
They are
है,
composed at the back.
हाँ,
नहीं कर सकते कोई कुछ.
और सारे
You could
डिफेंडर्स
see,
भी quick.
rather वो लोग PSG को mess up करवा रहे थे and then Arsenal counter used to trouble PSG. उन्होंने एक दो बार genuinely
किया
beautiful
अच्छे
किया.
opportunities था.
Now just to talk about the statistics of the game, where the game seems very shady, very different. It was firstly a proper battle of defense versus attack.
Attack.
Arsenal was undoubtedly the best defense in the Europe. Premier League maybe, UCL में तो yes because they were unbeaten. PSG has scored the maximum amount of goals by any team in UCL for a given season.
And Arsenal might be the one.
I
who
think
has
it can be
considered
one of the
least-
lowest.
Considered least number of
हाँ,
goals.
for a person who has reached finals, I think it would be one of the lowest. Arsenal had some crazy statistics in defense. PSG was a monster in attack. A monster in attack. We have seen him against Bayern Munich. We have seen him against various teams. उसने kill किया था. After that, you get a match जहाँ पे it is a final which is played for 120 minutes and 24.7% possession by Arsenal and rest was all PSG. Too much haram ball maybe.
And for a moment, I thought that this game is going to go towards penalties because Arteta is one of those. He knows, like, if you're playing against PSG, even if it would have been Madrid or any other team, they would have preferred pragmatic approach जहाँ पे वो लोग पीछे बैठे रहते हैं and counter पे hit करते हैं because Luis Enrique, Pep Guardiola, ये उस टाइप के managers हैं जिनकी team knows how to play football.
Absolutely,
and अगर हमारा
absolutely.
caliber या हमारा potential है ही नहीं, it's better to sit back and hit them on counters. जो कि वर्क करता हुआ दिख रहा था एंड आई थॉट कि आर्टेटा हैज कम ऑल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर पेनल्टीज क्योंकि जो स्ट्राइकर्स या फिर जो अटैक पिच पे अवेलेबल था फॉर आर्सेनल योकेरेस से लेके उनके विंगर्स आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड कि गैब्रियल को फिफ्थ पेनल्टी कैसे मिली क्योंकि
There is-
इतना अटैकिंग टैलेंट पड़ा
हाँ, actually he should not have, but again we don't know वो लोग के drills में क्या होता है. Maybe penalty drills में he's a great player. There was a very hilarious joke online where they said that कि oh Gabriel thought कि it was a free kick, that's why he's trying to hit a free kick and that's how he missed the penalty. But yeah, नहीं, I feel sad for the poor guy. He
Yeah.
did really well in his whole defense and then he screwed up at a very wrong moment. But honestly, I felt if things go to penalties, Arsenal is the one who will win because
Oh.
they are tactically too well engineered and too well oiled machine. But PSG, उनका बच्चास and the whole project and Luis Enrique, respect.
भाई
You have built something special, sir, and I think no one knows the recipe to this.
there's a high possibility भाई three-peat हो सकता है they might win
There is a
third
high
Champions League also.
possibility because genuinely PSG is one of the teams जहाँ पे you don't see any cracks. You might be able to dominate them maybe in a single game of football कैसे तो, but that team as a structure has no cracks. इतने सारे बड़े names, you have Ballon d'Or winner, no ego issues, no battles, no players pressing on each other like Real Madrid.
I was surprised जब एंट्रीके ने डेम्बले को अंदर बुलाया नो ड्रामा वो
क्वारस्कीलिया
चुपचाप
को
आ
अंदर
जाता
बुलाया।
क्वारा चुपचाप आ जाता
ड्रेसिंग रूम नहीं, वहां से वेटिंग एरिया से डगआउट से वो लोग चीयर कर रहे हैं टीम को. दैट इज सच अ ग्रेट पर्सनालिटी. आई नो रोनाल्डो वुड हैव स्क्रीम्ड, आई नो मेसी वुड हैव शोन ईगो. बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द फुटबॉल के वहां पे ईगो इश्यूज आते हैं कि भाई लेट मी मेक द टीम विन, मैं बैलन डॉर विनर है, मेरे को आता है जीतना. नो, मैनेजर सेड गेट बैक डन. That is the level of loyalty and the whole camaraderie that they have. And I think Luis Enrique has just done something special and might be on the track to becoming one of the best managers in the world. Has the potential now to beat the likes of Pep and Zidane. If he does three-peat or something like that, I think we'll have to surrender to him.
Easily.
Because he's doing it also without a Galactico cause.
Yeah.
उसके पास मेसी था, हकाल दिया, नेमार था, हकाल दिया, एम्बाप्पे था, भेज दिया. And now he's dominating football the way it is meant to be dominated.
So let's see कहाँ तक जाता है PSG next season. Also new managers coming into the picture. Madrid के पास Jose आ चुका. Barca is kind of getting better with those deals of Gordon as well as उन्हें Alvaro, what's his name?
Alvarez, the Atletico striker.
As a striker चाहिए, so he's going to be the Premier League के teams काफी बड़े बड़े signings कर रहे हैं. So it's going to be difficult, but PSG always has a chance. अगर एक ही उन्हें टक्कर दे सकता है या रोक सकता है, that's Bayern Munich. Or else, I don't see the potential
Or
in
else,
any team.
if Real Madrid comes back into
If-
their UCL god
if-
वाला phase,
If-
then maybe Madrid, क्योंकि वो अभी उनके लिए थोड़ा वो सुपर लक, ब्राजीलियन जुत्सु, अफ्रीकन शामन्स वो सभी चाहिए, because I don't think anyone can directly beat PSG.
PSG को तुम नहीं कर सकते भाई.
Because अगर
No
well
chance.
oiled Bayern Munich नहीं कर
नहीं कर
सकता
सकता तो भाई
है, आर्सेनल का हराम बॉल भी नहीं कर रहा है, I think you have tried all of the other options.
मैड्रिड की भी औकात नहीं है भाई. द काइंड ऑफ फुटबॉल
हाँ,
व्हिच
no doubt.
मैड्रिड प्लेज या बाकी की टीम्स खेलते हैं भाई, PSG इज लेवल अबव.
I genuinely feel the type of football Barcelona plays, PSG does that better.
Yes.
PSG is literally playing similar football but even better at a higher level, and it is beautiful to watch.
Yes. So देखते
But
हैं.
also,
So,
guys, World Cup is coming. So drama तो खत्म नहीं होता है. Football fans are there for a treat. It's gonna be insane. We'll react on all of the scores, all of the crazy teams to watch. But put on the comment section कि आपको क्या लगता है अभी वर्ल्ड कप में कौन जीतेगा and who should be the Ballon d'Or winner.
Cristiano, please जिंका.